Hello and welcome back to my channel, Mireju Garden. Today we're doing an experiment. We're comparing two different products, Waterleaf, one from the market and one from my garden. If you're new to the channel, this is Mireju Garden. It's an organic garden. I grow all the vegetables that I use in my house for the past 3 years. If you like to learn about growing your own food, and growing your own vegetables, whatever little space you may think you have, you can grow something. You want to stay subscribed to this channel because you'll be learning quite a lot of how to create that space within your compound, your balcony, so that you can save some costs and then be sure of exactly what you're consuming. Click the subscribe button right away and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be posted about new content from here so that you don't miss any new upload from me. Also, like the video and share with friends. I appreciate your support in growing this channel. Thank you.
So I've been wanting to do this for some time. The water leaf on the white tray, I got it from the market on Friday. While this one is the one from my garden, which had been on this plate for like since Wednesday last week. Because sometimes I just harvest them when I'm trying to remove the flowers. I just harvest some just in case I need to quickly make something with water leaf. Water leaf is one of my
Staple vegetable.
in my garden and in my kitchen. So I got this since Wednesday, and this one was on Friday. And you can see that already I'm starting to see the limpiness and the blackness. It starts to droop and then form watery. So I've been meaning to do this comparison because I knew when I didn't grow vegetables in this house and I used to buy water leaves. I used to wonder that I couldn't keep water leaf, for a couple of days, and it starts melting, sort of like melting and forming this black. After some days, you just have to throw it away. You can't use it. But here you have this one. It's just like drying. After a few days, it's kind of dry. There's no black one seen inside. So that's the difference. So I'm still going to observe it for a couple more days and see what happens. This is the experiment I'm making. I've always suspected that that's the case, that this one from the markets, that many of them are grown with fertilizer, and that's what affects its ability to stay long. And of course, it will affect its nutritional value. Unlike the one you just pick randomly from your compound, around your neighborhood, or the one you grow yourself without any chemical, you see the difference is clear. My lighting is not so good. So I'm going to leave it and observe for another couple of days, and I'm going to come back and show you the state of the two water leaves. So today is Wednesday, 26th of June, 2024. This is the 5th day
Of observation.
This is the one I got from the market. You can see all the black things in there. This is one from my garden. You can see how it's tending towards naturally drying without much of those black stuff. I moved over to another location in my house. The lighting is poor in the kitchen there. So this is water leaf from the market. You can see the water forming. It starts to soil, drip out water. So this is the water leaf from the market. I can barely pick out what to use after 5 days of keeping it on the counter. Assuming I bought it, I'm not using it immediately. I can barely select out good ones to use. So this is the one for my garden. You can see how there is no single drop of water on the tray. It's not soiling. I can still pick out virtually all the water leaf to use. I just pick out the ones that are not looking good, and I'm able to use the water leaf. But this one from the market is it's become so mushy. And what I've come to realize from my observation is that whenever water leaf or any vegetable is grown with fertilizer, it does not last. So you can't store it for long, and the nutritional value is much reduced. I encourage you to buy water leaves or vegetables from organic farmers so that you can get much nutrient in it and good quality leaves from that product. Thank you for watching.